Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, and today we're going to do one last Halloween season video. I'm so sad that it's over. I can't believe it's over. My nephew Owen and I went to the Fear Columbus haunted house, and it was amazing, fantastic. I will say they don't let you film inside of there, which is a shame. I asked, and they don't. So I could not show any of the inside, but I did film the line. I filmed a lot of stuff that's going on outside. Then you wait in line on the inside as well, and that looks incredible. So I will say this haunted house is the best in the area. It's actually one of the best that I've been through. They do it every year, and then they do a Christmas one, Krampus. They did a Valentine's one year. It's a vampire theme, and they have like a zombie target, with the guns, and you hunt the zombie hunter, I guess you could call it. I've never actually been to that one. I'm gonna try to do it this year. But yeah, it's fantastic. The actors are great. The jump scares are great. When they jump out at you, they do like they do at Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights, where they flash the lights and make the like noise. It's not actually the person that does it. It's like an effect, a sound effect. So it's pretty much the quality there of the props are. I would say it's Universal Studios quality, no joke. And I've heard other people say that as well. So let's just get to it. It was great. We love it. I'll be going back to the Krampus one as well, which is awesome too. So yeah, let's do it. The Fear Columbus haunted house.
Yet there was a feeling that beyond the door and into the hall, this was the house of no one at all. No one who breathed, nor laughed, nor ate, nor said I love.
Okay, media, that's proof you guys are going to go on it. You're going to go on that first door. Enjoy.
Along the stair, something was there, and that is why